Namaste, children and parents. Parents, I need your cooperation for learning this video because this video contains a concept of mathematics for grade 4. The chapter is large numbers. Children, before going into the chapter, you should know why should we learn. We need to learn large numbers. Consider a situation. You are going with your mother for buying a scooter for your mother. A salesperson told her that the bike cost rupees 70,000 and other cost rupees 1,20,000. He underlined that cost in the catalog and give it to your mother. Your mother could read the catalog, but you can't read the number because it is in 10,000 5-digit number and 6-digit number. You know only 4-digit number. So for apply in real life you need to know, right? So that's why we are going to learn large numbers. Before going into the concept, first you should know what we are learning in this chapter. We are going to learn 5-digit and 6-digit number, how to write and read and how to compare, how to ascending and descending these numbers, and also we are going to make the greatest and smallest for 5-digit and 6-digit numbers, and we are going to rounding the numbers to the nearest value to 10, 100 and 1000. Then you are going to represent number up to 39 in the Roman number system. Okay, now you can see the picture that they are applying numbers in real life. How she is applying? See, the first picture is Arun likes to jog. How many steps? 1000 steps. Do you know 1000 is the smallest or greatest 4-digit number? 1000 is a 4-digit number that you know. It is the smallest or greatest. How you will see? See, what is the number before 1000? It is 999. After 999 you get 1000. After 1000, what is the number? 1001. When compared to 1000 and 1001, which is the bigger? 1001 is the bigger. Then 1000 is the smaller. You see, this 999 is how many digit number? It's a 1, 2, 3 digit number. This 1000 is a 4-digit number. So the 4-digit number starts from 1000. So we are writing 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Right now, one girl, Arun's elder sister, is a long distance runner. She likes to jog 9,999 steps every day. Here she stops at 9,999 because she only know how to count up to 4-digit number. She count up to 4-digit number, then she count up to 4-digit number because after 999 you get 10,000, right? You get 10,000. It is a 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 5-digit number. So this 9,999 is a 4-digit number. After that we get 5-digit number. So 4-digit number ends at 9,999. So it is the largest 4-digit number, right? You understood the concept. Now we are going to recap the numbers, 4-digit numbers, what we have studied in grade 3. Shall we check? Okay. Now just recap. 10 ones make how many? 10 ones make how many? 10. It is 1. How they are saying? You see, 10 ones means 1. It's what? 10. It is 10. How many 10? 110. So it is 10 ones make 110. Like that, 10 tens. 10 tens means 10 into 10. You get 100, right? 10 into 10 you get 100. How many 100? 100. So 10 tens make 100. 10 100. 10 100 equal to 10 into 10 1000. So 10 100 make 1000. Next, now listen children. The first yellow color blocks represents 1000, then green color 2 box represents 200, then red color box represents 4 tens, then blue color strips represents 3 ones. Now for the number 1243 we are representing in blocks, right? You know how to represent using blocks. You know how to write number name. You have to start the numbers from right. You have to say the place value from the right side. See, 3 is in ones place, 4 tens, 2, 100, 1000. So we have to start from what is the number 1. Now it is 1000. If it is 2, you have to say it as 2000. Now 2000 in the hundreds place 2. So 200, then 43. Right? Then with the place, it is represented in place value chart. 1006, right? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand place. Now we are going to see, do you know 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number, right? We have discussed in the get started activity. Now 9900 is the largest 4-digit number, that also we have discussed, but we are going to see how it came. When 999 is added with 1, you get what number? 1000. Then 4-digit number starts here. So it is smallest 4-digit number. Next, what is the largest 4-digit number? Greatest is 9999, because after that you get 5-digit number. So the 4-digit number ends at 9999. So it is the greatest 4-digit number. Next, I'm going to check you. Now you have listened the concept. I'm going to check you with this concept. See, this green color box represents numbers. The numbers are represented with blocks. The green color block, blue color cube represents thousands. Then violet color strip represents 100. This is tens, this is ones. Now you can write the number. See, what is the number here? For this you have to write 4. Here how many? 3. Here 4. Here 8. Join together. What is the number? 4348. Right? Then you can write it here. 4, 3, 4, 8. You have write it in the number names, and also what you will do in the abacus representation. For 8 you have to put 8 circles, that 8 beats, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then for 4 you have to put 4 in the tens place. Then 3 is in the 100 place. H represents 100. Then you got to put in the line. Like that you have to do it. Then B you have to do. B is given to you as a homework. Then in this check what you know. A, I will solve. B, you have to do. Children, please note it down in your note and do this homework. Right? Then second one is write the expand form in figures. How you will expand? First, for writing expand form, you should know the place value. Right? What is the place value of 5? It is 1000. So it is written with 5000. Next, what is the place value of 6? It is 100. So you have to write it as 600. Right? You have to write it as 600. Then what is the place value of 7? It is 10. So it is written as 70. What is the place value of 4? It is 1. So written as 4. Then B sum you are going to solve. Next we are going to see arrange in ascending orders. What is meant by ascending order? Smallest number to largest number. We are going to arrange from smallest number to largest number. Here which is the smallest number. Before arranging this, you have to count are the four numbers are in equal number of digits. See, the first number is in 4 digits, second number 4 digit, third number 4 digit, and the fourth number is in 3 digit. It is in 3 digit. So anyway, which is the larger, 4 digit or 3 digit number? 4 digit number is the larger, then 3 digit is smaller. So you write the first 3 digit number. $899. Then which is the next largest number to 899? It is 1235. Next second. Next to 1200, which is the larger? 2000. 1000 next. 2000. After 2000, see this number, this is 3000. This is the next largest. Right? You have to write here. Then you do this B sum. Next we are going to see descending order. Descending order means larger number to smaller number. Now see here, which is the largest number? 852. No, 8520. Then you compare with this 8502. So this is the larger. Then also you compare with this 8052. Now this is the largest number. Write this number 8520. Right? This is the first one is 1. Next you compare these 3 numbers, rest of the 3 numbers. Right? Next to smallest number is 8502. This is the next smallest number. Next smallest number is 8052, and next smallest number is 852. In descending order, we will get the number in decreasing order, right? In the ascending order, we will get the number in increasing order. Okay. Next, now use the digit to make the smallest and greatest 4-digit number. We are going to make the smallest and greatest 4-digit number. See, smallest number means with this digit 7, 8, 4, 9, you have to form the smallest number. Before that, you listen. See, 7, 8, 4, 9 is in this digit, which is the smallest? Which is the smallest? Which is the smallest? 4. Right? Then after that, when compared to 4, which number is greater? And compared to 4, next greater number. You have to see the next. You have to arrange the number in ascending order. To find the smallest number, you have to arrange the number in ascending order. To find the greatest number, you have to arrange the number in descending order. See, first I have written 4. Next 4 after, what will come in 1, 2, 3? 7. Then 4, 7, 8, 9. Right? 4789 is the smallest number. How we will form the greatest number? You have to arrange the number in descending order. Right? Now we will see. Which is the first greatest number? 9. Next 8. Then 7. Then 4. 9874 is the greatest number. B sum you have to do. Write the place value and face value of. We are going to write the place value and face value. What is the difference between place and face? Face means the number itself a face. Right? The face value of 5 means you will get 5. Okay? The face value of digit 4 in the number 5432 is 4 only. You will get the same number as it is. In the place value, what you have to do is, to find the place value, you have to multiply the digit with the place. The digit is in which place? You see, the 5 is in which place? 5 is in which place? Can you see? 5 is in which place? Ones, tens, hundred, thousands place, right? So you have to 5 into 1000. What is the answer? 5000. Or you can written as a word also. Right? Then face value is 5. The same number 5. Face value is 5 only. Then 0 in 807, 8079. What? 0 is in hundreds place. When you multiply 0 with 100, you will get 0. So write in the place value 0. Now we are going to answer the question which we have discussed, which is 1000 more than 5683. You see, 1000 means that one. You have to add this one. You know, we have done in mental max this 5683. You have to say 1000 more than 5683 means, see, what is the number? 1000. So in 1000 place, what is the number? 5. You have to add 1 with that number. What you will get? 6. Now your value is 6683. Right? You understood? What is the answer? 6683. Okay? Note it down in your note, children. Which is the largest 4-digit number? You know. Which is the smallest 4-digit number? What is the smallest 4-digit number? Minus the largest 3-digit number. This we have discussed in the grade 3 higher order thinking skills. Right? Now see. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Right? Largest 3-digit number is 999. If you minus, you will get 1 as the answer. 1 as the answer. Your answer is 1. What is 100 less than 6789? What you have to do, the same concept which we applied in ASM. What we have to do is, what is the number? 6789. What is the number you have to less? 100. So see the 100 place, which is 7. What you have to do is, you have to minus 1. Do the minus ones. What is 7 minus 1? 6. Right? Written in the 100 place as it is. Then write the digit as it is. You will get 6689. Understood, children? Then E. The value of 6 in 4568 goes up by how many times when it moves to the left by 1 digit. The value of 6 in 4568 goes up by how many times when it moves to the left? When it moves to the left by 1 digit. Right? Okay. Now, how this question is about is what? Now listen, children. 4568. Right? Your number. When it goes up, how many times when it moves to left by 1 digit? If it moving to left by 1 digit means it is in now which place? 100 place. Right? It is in 100 place. When the 6 is moving to tens place to 100 place, tens place means now it is 60. If you multiply it with 10, 60 with 10, what you will get? 600. So then only it will move to 100 place. So how many times it goes up? It goes up 10 times. Now you understood what I'm saying? Once again I repeat. See children, the number is 4568. To move left means this is the left, right? To move left means you are moving 6 to the 100 position. Now 6 place value is what? Now become 600. Previous it is 60. See how many times it moves? Only 1 0 only difference, right? So how it will get 600? When you multiply with 10, you will get 600. So now it is in 100 place. How many times you have to move? 10. In this concept, you have understood if a digit is moving from one place to another place, it has to move by 10 times. Just if it is moving by nearby place, if it is moving by nearby place, you have to consider it's a 10 times, right? Now, children, I have solved some of the problems and some of them was given you as a homework. Please do it, children. Then only your concept will not get vanished. In the next session, we are going into the concept 5-digit number. Then only you can able to do that 5-digit number, right? Do the homework. If you're having any doubt, you can ask in the group. Thank you, children. Be safe at home.